Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm sharing few of my tips that help me to tackle this mundane job of laundry. And the first one is to contain it. Keep laundry baskets or pretty baskets to contain all the clothes that pile up on floor, bed or couches. And second thing is to collect the laundry. I use this same laundry basket that I have kept in Ishi's room and collect all the laundry that piles in different laundry basket around the house. I like to sort all my laundry in dark, whites, formals and home linens. Following a specific routine helps me to manage this monster in the best way possible. And I do not do laundry every single day. Weekends are for relaxation for me too. Do not overload or overfill the laundry. Ample space should be left in your washing machine. Same goes for the detergent. These highly efficient washing machines and detergents do not need a lot of detergent. Less is more, always remember. If possible, create a laundry area. You can watch our video how we created this laundry area out of all scrap wood. And it has been a game changer. I like to buy laundry supplies in a larger quantity. It not just saves me money, but also keeps the supplies handy. And transfer them in these bottles. These are juice bottles which I have recycled. And using these recycled bottles and a thrifted container, I have created this pre-laundry caddy which has powder detergent, bleach, liquid detergent, a bar soap. These come really handy. Hydrogen peroxide. This comes very handy to tackle any kind of stains. A toothbrush, vanish in a spray bottle, when I'm doing my whites, I often like to soak the clothes overnight with a little bit of bleach, detergent and some vinegar. For everyday clothes, you do not need a hot cycle or hot water. Cold water is absolutely perfect. And if you are soaking your clothes, then believe it or not, it is more than enough. You must have seen your parents and grandparents soaking the clothes. It reduces the effort of washing. I like to hang my clothes. This does two things. One, of course, it's a space saver, and second, it does not get too wrinkly. When it comes to drying rack, then it's your choice. For instance, in my home, I barely have any space to put a giant laundry rack. This large curtain rod, where we do not hang any curtains, works best for us to dry the laundry. And believe it or not, sun is the best dryer. Nothing smells better than a sun-dried clothes. Once the washing is over, leave the door open of the washing machine. If you have a semi-open flap, then you can do that so. Do not forget to wash the filter and the soap caddy or the dispenser. They contain a lot of muck and soap often gets stuck in this. I was not aware of this. When I moved here in this house, the person who came to install the washing machine showed me this. And since that day, after every load, I wash my filter and the soap dispenser. Just a toothbrush and a little bit of elbow grease, it cleans like new. These two steps keeps the mildews away from the washing machine. The musty smell that we get from the clothes, this is only because of that. Just leave the door open and wash the filters and the soap dispenser. If you're drying the clothes, then inside should be out. If it is a sportswear that you're washing, then definitely wash them with inside out, because sweat and dead skin cells get stuck in the inside of the clothes. Keep a post laundry caddy ready. This has helped me so much. I don't have too much in it. Just a lint roller, a box to collect coins, buttons, scissor, and a fabric shaver. This has kept the clothes stay new and lint free. This little gadget is so handy. I do not leave my clothes anywhere piled up, because I know myself, if I've left it on the couch or bed, that I'll do it later, that later doesn't come. So the moment it is out from the hanger, it gets folded and goes in the wardrobe. If you have a different opinion about this, take your time, watch a movie, listen to a good podcast, and enjoy the laundry folding time. For me, this is a real chore. Lint roller takes away any lint that has formed on the clothes. It's so effective in picking up hair, lint, dust that piles up on the clothes. We all have clothes that require ironing. But these clothes often pile up on the couches or beds. Create a home for that. It will reduce a lot of visual clutter. If you have organized your wardrobe recently, when you are putting back the clothes, just take a little bit of time and zhuzh things here and there and keep it organized. Just by putting things where it belongs helps you to keep the wardrobe organized as the way you organized it for the first time. Do not forget to wind up, and putting things back in place will help you to find them next time. There is no point of doing laundry when you cannot find your clothes. So take time, take moment and organize those wardrobes. We have dedicated videos on organizing wardrobes for everyone in the family. Link is in the description. Today I'm making something which I never had in my life, and it's so simple. It's PBJ sandwiches. Yes, I never had it in my life, and I found it interesting. I have used peanut butter in so many of my recipes, but never had this sandwich. So today I decided to give it a try. She didn't like it. She just wanted the plain butter jam sandwich.
That's the day I'm having right now. I pinch my arm to believe. I wish I could stay right here and never leave. Wait up, sundown, wait a while. I don't want this day to end. Wait up, sundown, wait a while before the night descends. All this time, where have you been? I thought I had searched both without and within. I was looking to get wet, standing in the rain. Then you offered your umbrella.
Today's recipe is super simple. It is Bhuna chicken. And for this, you require onions and chicken in 2:1 ratio.
Hello, emotions. Hello again. Is every ocean come as rain? I know my circles. I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh, my love, we form and rise to be so free.
Aloo bhujia is super simple again. You have to add mustard oil to a heavy bottom pan, and to that we will add some fenugreek or methi seeds. Add your cut potatoes with some turmeric only. Do not add salt now. Salt has to be added almost at the end of it, when you get a thick crispy layer on it. Right before we turn off the gas, we will add some chopped garlic. Fry it for a minute or so that we have this strong garlicky flavor to it. Same will go for the chicken as well. Garlic almost at the end, along with some garam masala, dhania patta and kasuri methi.
And I'll be coming home, and you will be going.
If you enjoyed till here, consider subscribing and liking this video. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, bye bye.